Greetings, guide bushing gurus and greenhorns. I'm Scott with GenSwiss. Today we're going to take a few moments to talk about Multidec Cut Series Swiss-style turning tools available from GenSwiss. First, we're going to talk about Multidec Cut 3000 series tools, which is our general-purpose Swiss-style turning line, which is optimized for cutoff up to 32 millimeters, but could potentially be used on larger diameters above 32 millimeters for threading, grooving, or back turning. One of the key benefits to the Multidec Cut 3000 series of products is one holder holds all the geometry. Holders are available in coolant through style, as well as traditional square shank Swiss style turning style. Cut 3000 inserts all feature a locating boss on the back of the carbide, which locates into a recess in the Cut 3000 series holders. The edges are not used for locating, so when an edge is worn and the carbide is indexed, we're not using a cutting edge for location, which results in better repeatability. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the Multidec Cut 1600 series product line, which is similar to the Cut 3000 line, with the exception of it's a micro-turning line optimized for workpieces under 10 millimeters. Similar to the 3000 series, these utilize a single holder to hold the entire product line's geometry. Cut 1600 series inserts are optimized for small parts turning in that they have small nose radii and sharp edge conditions, which lowers cutting pressures on small diameter workpieces. Also, I'd like to talk briefly about some of the specialty holders available in the Cut 3000 and Cut 1600 series of Swiss-style turning products. We've got high-pressure coolant through for chip control, twin style, which holds two geometries on a single shank, Y-axis coolant through for advanced chip control, and twin style front turn with 1600 series, which can be used for doing a front turn with a subsequent operation such as a thread or a groove. Whether you're doing high precision micro turning work or general purpose Swiss style turning, between the Multidec Cut 3000 series and 1600 series, GenSwiss has you covered. To find more information about these products, you can always visit us online at genswiss.com.